Hello, short review today on the KIMO 12-volt extended ratchet. Comes with these sockets, easy to read, tool bag, charger, user manual, and the wrench itself. Has a meter so you can see how much battery is left, and also LED light so you can see what you're doing. The neat thing I like about this is its ability with a small head to reach in tight places, and the length to reach in places far away. Been doing this for 45 years. Sure wish they had it back when I was a younger person. Put that in there and got a nice long reach. And we'll tighten her up. Okay, there you go.